there. Today I'm going to answer a question that a lot of my students have. I think it's so hard to collaborate with somebody that is far away and you are at your house and your partner or your team member is at their house. So you don't know how you're going to actually collaborate to be able to do a presentation or a Word document together. So today I'm going to answer that question. So the question is, how do I collaborate with my partner or group on Google Drive? There is a way for you to do that on Canvas. For some reason, in my computer, it's not working, so I'm not gonna be able to show that to you today. And I know that some of the students have been having trouble as well. That might be a discussion for a different day. But Google Drive is free. As there's a limit that you can use for free. And having a Gmail account is also free. So the first thing you want to do is what I put on bullet number 1, connect with the person that you want to work with or the group you want to work with through Canvas. So as your professor or whoever is having you guys do the work, that person can connect to you through Canvas, maybe start a discussion online, a discussion thread, and then you can share your information, you can connect that way and be like, okay, we're gonna start this file. In this case, I already created PowerPoint presentations for you guys on Google Drive. So it's gonna be easy for you to collaborate, okay? So here we go. The second thing is you're gonna create a free Gmail account so you can access your Google Drive. You can also access your Google Drive without having a Gmail. You can access with a different email. You just have to make sure you remember your password so you can go back and access that account and then say, yes, I want to have access to this specific file. So I'm gonna teach you how to do shared PowerPoint slides and Word documents that are also shareable, okay? I will, let me see, I'm gonna get out of here and I'm going to go online, okay? Here we go. So you're gonna go to Google Drive and then I click on, go to Google Drive right here. All right, let me just close this. Go to Google Drive. And then it's gonna ask you to log in. I'm already logged in. And I know that because I can see my picture right here on the right side. See right here? I am right there. So if you have a Gmail account, you should just log in and you're in, all right? You're good to go. So I can see here for my curriculum class, I created already the presentations. For my other class, the literacy class, I'm still gonna work on that now. So I'm going to show you how I would do that. So the way you do it, you can start by creating. So see this plus sign right there, you're gonna create new. You can create a folder if you would like to keep your things all together, right? Or you can just go to either Google Docs, create a blank document, or Google Slides. Also create a blank presentation. You could also create an Excel spreadsheet also that way. And there's other different types. There's like Google Forms, Google Drawings, Google My Maps, and other types that you could also explore if you would like. All right, so let's start first with a PowerPoint, which is super cool in my opinion. You go to Google Slides, hover over there, and then you would find blank presentation. Click on that. And this blank presentation will open. Now it's all untitled and blank. On the right side, you will find a template that you like. I'm gonna click on this one because it's different. Maybe, let's see, the pink one. Yay, super exciting. And I'm going to create, the name of my PowerPoint presentation is gonna be like article, presentation, and I can call it group A, and I can write everybody's names right here, right? Beautiful. Now, guess what? I can create more slides. I can go insert, create new slides, and then I can keep going and changing the way things go. Insert another one, and then I can keep on going. So I can have several different slides for people to work on, right? You get the idea. Now, this is just me working with myself. But see on the right side right here, there's like a bubble. It says history. That could be like a place for chat. So that's when you're like, I can share with somebody. So first, you're gonna title your presentation. So right here on top, you can name it. See, I clicked on it, it named it for me. Article presentation, I can call it Group A, for example. I can call it whatever I want. On the right side, where it says share, that's where this awesome thing will happen. You click share. What you need to know people's email addresses, okay? You would know, let's say I'm gonna share this with my my friend, okay? My friend Cecilia Miranda, another instructor at CBC. I'm gonna share that with her. See, Miranda, see her email already popped up for me because I always collaborate with her. So see, I'm gonna click on her email. See that? And it says add more. I can add more. And so I could add more people. And see where it has the little pencil? I can have her or them, her or whoever, edit, comment, or view. From my experience, always let them edit. That means that they can add, delete, or modify your presentation. That means that they can do their part anytime. You don't have to be on for them to be able to go on there. So they can edit and you can send. Push send, they receive an email on that email account that you just told the email to go to, and they'll receive a message. They'll say, this person's giving you access, go check it out. And so they have access to that, and boom, you're good to go. Now, if you don't know the person's email, but you know everybody's like, I'll wait for you to maybe share on a text message group or on Canvas, you have everybody connected already or something like that. See right here, it says get shareable link. That link is awesome. But now look right here. It says everybody can view. You click on that, change it to everybody can edit, and then you copy that link right here, and then you send that link, copy, paste, copy, and you paste that into somebody's email. So I would go to my Gmail account, for example, or my CBC email, and I would be like, oh yeah, let me send somebody an email. And I would just put that thing there, say, here is the Google slide project due tomorrow or whatever. So you click on that, put whoever you send it to, and push send, and you're good to go. All right, so this is kind of for you to have an idea on how it works. It's super simple and there's no secret. Now, what does that look like? For me, when I create the file, I can see it. So where does that live? It lives on my Google Drive right here. When I look at my files, see right here, I have a lot of groups that already have been, working on their projects. So I can see that the Bank Street group edited last week. This person, 1, 2, 3, 4, edited that. I edited, or I entered this group, the High Scope Approach project. Right there, I saw that. In my Google Drive, there's always this folder that says shared with me. If I don't know where to find it, if somebody shared it with me, it's gonna be there. So when I collaborate with Mrs. Miranda and Mrs. Macias for all the classes, I can go to the classes right here. So that's shared with me. And that was Cecilia Miranda, see, owner, that was her. She created that folder, shared it with me. You can create a file, a folder, whatever you want. Now, let me show you how to do a Word document. The same way, you go to New, Google Doc, blank document. You want people to do this paper with you. You have maybe you want to interview somebody. You want the person to answer the questions on this document. You would write this shared document. You write all your questions. Title this document, you put questionnaire, beautiful, and you will share the same way. Type in their emails, send, or get the shareable link. Make sure that you can edit, and then send, and you're good to go. And that's it for me today. I hope that you can, you have questions, please ask. But it was super, super simple. I hope that this makes your life super easy from now on. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.